Why is India getting involved in the Iran war? In today's editorial from The Hindu's editorial section, we are going to talk about it. So come, let's have a look. The Iran war, India's strategic autonomy challenges. Now, the article explains how the ongoing Iran conflict and the global tensions are making India's foreign policy even more difficult. Earlier, India could balance relations with many countries at the same time. For example, good ties with the USA for trade and technology and defense, good ties with Russia for cheap oil and weapons, good ties with Iran for energy and access to Central Asia via the Chabahar port, better relations with Europe, especially France, for fighter jets and trade deals. But now global politics is becoming more divided. Now, what exactly has changed right now? See, Iran war, West Asia tensions. So the conflict in Iran has increased the instability in West Asia, which is the Middle East, and India depends on this region for oil imports, Indian diaspora jobs, remittances, trade routes. Second is the US pressure is increasing on India day by day. Under Donald Trump, America is becoming even more aggressive economically and strategically. US wants countries to align more clearly with its interests. It is less comfortable with countries playing on both the sides, for example, India. Third, India's challenge the strategic autonomy. Now, for example, buying oil from Russia despite Western sanctions, maintaining ties with Iran, simultaneously deepening defense ties with the USA, France, and the European Union. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this particular article. The first dimension is the economic dimension. Oil prices can rise due to Iran conflict, imported inflation in India. Trade routes through West Asia can get disrupted. Global uncertainty affects markets and investments. Second is the energy security dimension. India imports most of its crude oil. West Asia instability directly affects fuel prices and current account balance. Third is the strategic dimension. India needs Iran for Chabahar port and Central Asia access. Now needs Russia for defense equipment, as we've already mentioned here, and needs USA and Europe for tech investment and balancing China. Fourth is the defense and security dimension. India recently strengthened ties with France, Rafale fighter jets, naval cooperation. India wants diversification in defense procurement. Lastly, we have the geopolitical dimension, where rise of a more fragmented world order, which is US-led bloc. China, Russia axis, middle powers like India trying independent pathways. Now, after the Cold War, the world was relatively US-dominated. Countries had more room to cooperate economically without choosing hard sides. Now, China-US rivalry is going on, Russia-Ukraine war is going on, and Iran conflict is going on, are pushing towards the world towards more divided system again. This reduces policy flexibility for countries like India. Now, this becomes highly important for GS Paper 2 international relations, GS Paper 3 energy security, all stocks, shocks and inflation, and for essay this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.